This video is going to look at equivalent fractions and decimals again. We're going to look at making fractions bigger. So here's an example, 3 over 10. Now I would like to make this out of 100. So in order to do that, you need to multiply the denominator and numerator by 10 because 10 times 10 will give you 100. So 3 times 10 is 30. So when you take a calculator, so for this one here, when you take the calculator and you do 3 divided by 10, gives you an answer of 0.3. Well, same thing happens here. If you go 30 divided by 100, that'll also give you 0.3. If you were to make this larger, so if you wanted to multiply this by 10 now, make it 1,000, so 300 over 1,000, well, the calculator will tell you the exact same thing. It'll be 0.3. So basically what we're trying to say here, and we're going to bring this down here, is 3 over 10 is equal to 30 over 100. It's equal to 300 over 1,000, and we really can keep going and going and going with this. So when you multiply your denominator and numerator by the same number, you get the same. It's like fractions. Same thing with decimals. It's all the same. So I'm going to give you a couple more examples here. We'll do 9 over 100. And I want to get this to be out of 1,000. So in order to get there, 100 times 10 will give us 1,000. So 9 times 10 is 90. So there is the equivalent fraction. Now if you were to take your calculator, 9 divided by 100, 0.09, and 90 divided by 1,000, 0.09. It's the same thing. 8 over 10. And I want to know what this is out of 1,000. Well, you have to ask yourself, how do I get from 10 to 1,000? Well, you multiply by 100. And that's 800 over 1,000. And again, on the calculator, 8 divided by 10 is 0.8. And this here, 800 divided by 1,000, gives you 0.8. So these are all the same. I mean, they're all equivalent. So fractions and decimals are equivalent. They are the same. Okay, so I want you to work on this now in your Jump Math book. And if you have any problems, please let me know. Thanks for watching the video and have a great day.